Good morning class 6 student. Now we are continue chapter 6 workbook. So we continue worksheet 9.2 question number 2. So question number first we have covered in previous video. So second is to represent the ages of student in 10th class using a bar graph. It is convenient to take one unit length to represent 1 year. So it is false. Because this scale is not suitable to show the ages of a student in form of bar graph. That is false. Now second is a bar graph is a chart with rectangular bars of different width and length proportional to the values that they represent. So it is false because a bar graph is a chart with rectangular bars of equal width and length proportional to the values they represent. Third, in case of large quantities, the length of the bars is scaled down. So it is true. So answer is because by it we can represent data properly. Number 4, organization of data helps in bringing about meaningful conclusion from the data. So it is false. True, because when we arrange the data in organized in tabular form and bringing the meaningful conclusion from the data. Because by low data we cannot reach at the meaningful conclusion. Fifth, the data collected from an external source are called primary data. It is false. False because the data collected from an external source are known as secondary data. 6. Data collected from the magazines and newspaper are called secondary data. So it is true. Answer is true because data collected from external source are called secondary data. So and that source is called primary data and external source from collected data is called secondary data. So question number 6 is done. So student 9.2 is also completed. In next video we will start 9.